Prepare for the next milestone in aviation as Boeing gears up for the certification push of its highly anticipated 777X at the Paris Air Show. With anticipation building, what challenges lie ahead for this revolutionary aircraft? Let's delve into Boeing's preparations and the potential impact the 777X will have on the industry. So in this video, we're going to show you big Boeing 777X news. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. The 777-9, which is making its Paris Air Show debut, it's targeted at entry into service in 2025, having been delayed by a series of issues ranging from the global pandemic to increased regulatory scrutiny in the wake of the 737 MAX accidents in 2018 and 2019. The aircraft's appearance at the show comes as Boeing awaits Type Inspection Authorization (TIA) from the FAA, a long-anticipated move that will mark the formal start of certification. "We're ready from an airplane standpoint for TIA," says Justin Hale, Boeing's 777X customer leader and product marketing director. The three active development aircraft have so far amassed around 3,000 flight hours and 1,000 cycles in the program. The fourth is being refurbished with a full interior prior to joining the test campaign later this year. Tests have included validation of components added to address regulator concerns over potential common mode failures in the 777X flight control system and have all been related to qualification of those parts. Technical exchanges with the FAA are a routine part of any Boeing certification project, but formal queries directly from EASA are rarer since EASA's role under the US-European Union Safety Bilateral is to validate the FAA's findings. With EASA seemingly satisfied, the process has got us back to where the bilateral will work between the US and EASA, he adds. Although FAA TIA is not dependent on EASA approval of the certification basis, the 777X program needs international compliance across the board to progress. Agreement with EASA rebuilds towards the standard bilateral convention between the US and Europe, under which each regulator approves a validating authority's VA system without any technical involvement or approval by the VA. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. Upcoming tests include minimum landing distance and braking system performance with the 777-9 prototype WH-001, while the second aircraft WH-002 is performing stability and control as well as ride quality work. The third aircraft WH-003 is focused on engine performance testing. "We just completed takeoff performance and VMU velocity minimum unstick testing," says Heather Ross, an experimental test pilot at Boeing. "That was a huge risk reduction effort to get that completed. We're still working on takeoff and landing performance, and that testing will be continuing later on. We've got some more stability and control testing coming up as keep progressing the loads of updated software for our flight controls," she adds. Some Boeing suppliers have been asked to begin shipping parts to support restarting 777-9 final assembly in early 2024, Shows News has learned. Multiple suppliers confirmed the move, including some that provide parts for Boeing-made components. Finally, assembly of new 777-9s has been paused since early 2022. At the time, Boeing said production would not resume before 2024, and first deliveries would slide from late 2023 to 2025 because of certification-related challenges. Activating the front end of the production process now aligns with that timeline, as Boeing generally considers production as final assembly work, including gathering parts and sub-assemblies at the first station on the line. The move to restart supplier shipments could suggest confidence in the 777-9's certification progress, which has faced several hurdles in the past 2 years. The next key milestone, FAA Type Inspection Authorization, would clear the company to begin formal certification test flights. The company's current timeline sees certification and first deliveries, once slated for 2019 in late 2025. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.